Have you ever had a burning desire to achieve something but didn't know where to start?
How do I do that?
It's the initial flicker that ignites the flame of ambition, pushing us to dream beyond our current circumstances. Yet, as compelling as desire is, it can also be a double-edged sword. Desire without a clear direction can lead us down a path of confusion and uncertainty. It's like being in a ship in the middle of the ocean, with a burning need to reach land, but without a compass to guide us. We may have the wind in our sails, but without a course to follow, we can end up going in circles. So, let's not underestimate the power of desire. It's a potent fuel for success. But remember, no matter how strong your desire might be, without direction, you could end up feeling lost and doubtful. What happens when desire meets confusion? Just as a ship needs a captain to navigate the vast ocean, your dreams and desires need direction. A burning desire can fuel you to reach the stars, but without a compass, you'll find yourself lost in the cosmos. Imagine a gardener who has the seeds of a rare and beautiful flower. The gardener has the desire to see that flower bloom, but doesn't know how to plant or nurture it. Despite the gardener's strong desire, the seed never grows and the flower never blooms. This is what happens when desire lacks direction. Desire without direction can lead to a maze of confusion and uncertainty. You might find yourself wandering aimlessly, chasing after every opportunity that appears, yet never truly advancing towards your goal. This lack of progress can breed doubt, dampening your once fiery desire and perhaps even extinguishing it entirely. The absence of direction can also lead to a sense of overwhelm. When you don't have a clear path to follow, every decision can seem monumental and every obstacle insurmountable. You might begin to question whether your dream is even achievable, leading to a paralyzing fear of failure. In worst-case scenarios, this lack of direction can result in giving up before you even start. It's like standing at the base of a mountain, looking up at the peak shrouded in clouds. Without a trail to follow or a map to guide you, the journey seems impossible. And so, you turn back, leaving your dream unfulfilled and your desire unquenched. This is the problem of desire without direction. It's a journey without a map, a ship without a rudder, a seed without sunlight. It's a race run in circles, a song sung out of tune, a story written without an ending. But this does not have to be your story. You can take your desire and give it direction. You can navigate the obstacles, overcome the doubt, and reach the peak of your mountain. Desire without direction can lead to doubt, but don't worry, there's a solution. What if you could channel your desire into a clear direction? Think about it. It's not just about wanting something, it's about knowing how to get it. So how do we find our direction? First, we need to set clear, achievable goals. Think about what you really want, what you're passionate about. Is it starting your own business, building a brand? Whatever it is, write it down. This is your end game, your ultimate goal. Next, you need to create a step-by-step plan to reach this goal. Break it down into smaller, manageable tasks. This will make your goal seem less daunting and more achievable. For example, if your goal is to start your own business, your first step might be to research your market or draft a business plan. Now, I know what you're thinking. What if I encounter obstacles along the way? Well, that's where perseverance comes in. Remember, every successful person has faced challenges. They've all had moments of doubt, moments when they thought about giving up. But they didn't. They kept going. They stayed motivated. And you can do the same. How? By reminding yourself of why you're doing this. By visualizing your success. By celebrating your small victories along the way. These will keep you motivated. They'll keep you moving forward, even when the going gets tough. And remember, you don't have to do this alone. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people. Find a mentor, join a community. These can provide you with valuable advice, encouragement, and inspiration. So there you have it. That's how you find your direction. It's not about having a desire, it's about channeling that desire into a clear, achievable goal. It's about creating a plan and sticking to it. It's about persevering, staying motivated. And with this direction, your desire becomes more than just a wish. It becomes a powerful force, a force that propels you towards success. With direction, your desire can become a powerful force that propels you towards success. Ever considered digital marketing as your path to success? It's a field that's not only growing exponentially, but also offers a myriad of opportunities. It's a career that doesn't confine you to a 9-to-5 routine. Instead, it offers you the flexibility to work from anywhere, at any time. Imagine having the freedom to decide your schedule, to work on projects that ignite your passion, and to make your mark in the digital world. Picture the satisfaction of building your own business, of watching it grow from a seed of an idea to a flourishing entity. Digital marketing is not just a career, but a lifestyle that offers time and financial freedom. It's a journey that transforms you into an entrepreneur, a leader, and a game changer. It equips you with the tools to turn your desires into reality, to shape your future, to create your own path. Digital marketing could be the direction you've been searching for. Ready to take the reins of your destiny? The first step to turning your desires into reality is just a click away. Unleash the power of digital marketing with our comprehensive guide. Click the affiliate link below and start your journey to success today. Remember, desire coupled with direction can lead you to extraordinary places.